Morning. Today, my friends, I'm going to address some welding of the frame issues. I'll show you what I mean. It's kind of a windy day, so I apologise in advance. I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to finish welding the motor mounts onto the frame, and I'm sure this has been freaking people out on previous videos. It's like, that's not strong enough. No, it's not strong enough. So today I'll be making some nice boxing in sections and plates over the sides. Okay. Not ideal day for welding with all this wind, but I'll do my best. Gotta be done. Okay, these mounts are welded on, and I just sprayed them with some clear coat for now, just in case it decides to rain on me again. Right, let's address this issue. So I'm gonna cut these out because that's just going to get in the way. Same with that one. Cut that out, and I'm going to be welding plates round and round, and then up and up. I might do a little curvy thing there. You never know. See if I get artistic. Right, let's get these cut out first. Bit of a clean up done. So as you can see, it's only welded along there and a bit along there. Obviously not strong enough. Never was going to be like that. So I'll continue welding along there, and then along the inside and round. But again, it's only then sitting, that section's only sitting on the frame and it's welded round there. So the next step, I will be welding a plate on this face. At some point I'll weld a plate on there, weld a plate on there and the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is finish this weld round here, and then get on with making plates. Okay, I've made my first plates. Again, the 3/16 steel. That'll go on there, and then I can actually make this side plate on both sides and then work on the insides. Let's get that welded on. These upper plates are welded on. I've not ground the weld down too far, because it's going to be getting covered and welded over anyway. So I have now made my curvy templates. Yeah, curvy template times 2. So I'll cut these out. I'll probably use about 10 cutting discs because this is thick, and I'm going to be covered in steel. Back in a bit. Yay, done. Well, 2 are done. That's the 2 outside ones, still to do the inside ones. They're going to be slightly different shape. Let's see how it looks on the vehicle. That was tiring, my god, lots of cutting and grinding. Okay, so it's going to sit roughly like that, and then I'll put a cap where the clamp thing is, the welding thing. I will put in a cap round to follow that shape. So that's what I'm doing now. Weld the 2 outer ones on. Let's see how they look. Hopefully not crap. Right, first two plates are welded on. I'm not going to clean them up at the moment until I've got the other sides on and the other sides and the top plates on. One thing at a time. So I will now make the other plates, which will be slightly different, but they'll be the same at the top, but at the bottom it kind of angles inwards towards the car, so that'll be fun. And then when I get them done, I can put the top plates on and then clean it all up. And hopefully it'll look good. It doesn't look great at the moment, but it's structurally, or it's going to be structurally sound, that's the main thing. Right, more cutting and grinding. Second pair of plates are ready. This will fit upside down. That's how it will fit. Hold on a sec. So that will fit in there roughly, and then you see the way the cap is going to curve round like that. You get the idea. Let me get on with that, see how it looks when it's done and cleaned up. Hey, it was snowing earlier on. That's great, isn't it? I hope this is making sense to you guys. Coming together. Right, so just the top plates to make. Weld them on. I better run out of wire just before I finish. Just be my luck. Oh, this wind. It was really snowing a minute ago. Hold on. Okay, caps are on. I'm just going to give them a quick grind down, see how they look. Okay, and that'll be us for the day. Back in a bit. So it looks like winter's not done. It's starting to snow and sleet and rain and all sorts of bill. Anyway, here's what we've got. If you can see it. It's not quite finished because I really need to get it covered up. I think it's quite nice. I quite like it. Got some tidying up and finishing to do, but it's not bad. I'm going to tidy up before I finish. Oh, really? Really snow? Come on. Sorry for that rushed ending, folks. It was windy, snowy. I had the t-shirt on because I can't wear a jacket when I'm welding and grinding because it catches fire. So it's died down a bit, so I'll give you a better look at what I've done. Right, so I've still to weld along there, okay. I had to get it all back together because I didn't want the engine and the body and everything getting soaking wet. So I still need to grind round that, make it look pretty, grind round there. Not a lot of grinding, just take off the sharp edges because I'll be painting the whole frame black at some point anyway, or actually not black, maybe silver, I don't know, but that's how it looks, and I think that looks far better than it did before. A lot less precarious. The engine's sitting nice, it went in no problem at all. I didn't have to do any jiggling, straight onto the mounts. So I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, because that was a lot of grinding and a lot of vibration. I'll think about that tonight. Maybe some door hinges or something, I'm not sure. Hey, thanks for all the great comments and advice. on the last couple of videos. I really appreciate that. As you know, I've said before, I'm kind of making this up as I go along and trying to do my best safely as possible. It doesn't need to look mega pretty, but it has to be safe. So don't be shy, leave a comment, good or bad. I'll try not to take the huff, and I'll take your advice. And remember, if you have a YouTube channel yourself, let me know, and I'll have a look, subscribe, and let this community grow. Thanks for watching, everybody. I may or may not see you tomorrow. I'm pretty tired and full of car, actually. Yeah, and I need to shower, maybe twice. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.